Alright guys, I got a 15-minute strategy for you. I also created a script, so I'll show you the script results in the second part of the video. I will also add that script in the premium section of our Discord. But right now, we're going to go over my website. The link to that will be in the description below. That'll take you here. We have a chance to earn a funded futures trading account. Right now they're doing 60% off, so if you click this photo here, that'll take you to the link. Right now they have a $50,000 account, $100,000 account, and a $150,000 account that you can trade. So just click that, sign up for 60% off. I also have pocket options. You can sign up for a free demo account. Click on this link, register. That'll take you to your free account. You can practice on demo. And if you decide you want to deposit some money, if you deposit a minimum of $100 and use the promo code WELCOME50, they'll give you a 50% deposit bonus. And then again, here is the link to our Discord where we have scripts. Free to join. If you do want to access the scripts, it'll be a $100 one-time fee, and you'll be able to get access to those scripts and add them to your charts. So first, we're going to go over here. I'm going to go over the strategy. So you're going to go to indicators. These are the two indicators that you're going to use. Edry extreme points buy and sell, and moving average exponential. So I already have those added here. Now this is a reversal strategy. So once you add these two, you'll have to go into settings of the extreme points buy and sell and check this box for the plot mean reversion bands on the chart and click OK. So for a short entry, you're going to, price has to be above the 100 EMA, which you can change here. Once you add the EMA, go into settings, change that to 100. Price has to be above 100 EMA. You have to get a sell signal, and when you get that sell signal, that candle has to close above this top band. So that's a valid short entry here. And you're going to exit the trade. There's no stop loss. You're going to exit the trade once you get a buy signal, no matter where the buy signal is. So that's a good trade there. And then I'm going to show you an example of a long entry. So we go over here, we have a valid long entry here. We have a buy signal. Price is below the 100 EMA, which is here in blue, and that candle closed below this bottom band, and we did not close it until we got this sell signal over here. That's another good one. Now when you're not going to take a trade, is when you have a signal. So this came outside of the bands. We had a buy signal here, but it's not closed below that bottom band, so we would not enter there, even though that would have been a winner. But we will not enter when that happens. Same thing up here on this short. We would not enter that. Now this one here, this did close above the bands. So we would enter this short. Now we did have a pretty big drawdown on this trade, but we would have waited till that buy signal. Then we would have closed that out for a big profit there. So that's it for the indicators and the strategy. Now I'm going to go over to where I have my script programmed. So when you add your script to the chart, this is what it's going to look like. And for the signals to actually show, you're going to have to go into settings. And you're going to have to check this box right here, plot mean reversion bands. And once you do that, it will give you the signals and exits. So we're going to switch that to the 15-minute. So right now we're on GBP USD, last 14 trades. Currently up, well, let me change this. You're going to want to go into settings, go to properties. You can change this to $1,000 initial capital. Our order size is going to be $1,000. So in that scenario, in the last 14 trades, you'd be up 2%. Max drawdown 1.45%. So you can try these on different time frames and different assets. So here are some of the main Forex pairs. Here are the results for that: 72% win rate, 71% win rate, 83% win rate on USD JPY. Drawdown so far on Australian dollar US dollar is 3.5%, currently down. So like I said, you can try different time frames, different assets, and see what it works best on. 70% win rate on US dollar, Canadian dollar. Here was the last entry and exit right here before we close on the weekend. $137 pips. So yeah, that's it for that. And then if you want to test this out on futures, I made this script for mainly crypto, Forex, and stocks. So here we go on Bitcoin. Last 12 trades, 75% win rate, 11% drawdown, currently up 10%. So if you want to check this on futures, so we'll just do the NASDAQ, and you'll have to go into settings for futures, change this to 100,000. And you'll have to change the order size to contracts and however many contracts you want to trade at a time. So on NASDAQ futures, E-minis, 15 minute, we'll go down to the 5 minute, 1 minute. So far on the 1 minute, last 15 trades, looks pretty good, $9,400. We'll go down to the NASDAQ micros, up $1,000, $331 drawdown. And then we'll check the ES and the ES micros. So yeah, you can kind of mess around with it and see what time frame, what asset. And that's it for that. So I'll leave the link to the video on how to add scripts to your charts as well in the description of this video. So if you don't know how to do that, you can watch that video. But that's it for this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.